Tissues are soft, light, and great for runny noses and little spills. But before they reach your home, they go on a journey through big machines and busy factories. Let's follow that journey and see how trees turn into soft tissues. Tissue paper starts with wood from trees. The wood is mixed with water and turned into mushy pulp. The pulp is cleaned and pressed into very thin layers to make it soft and gentle. Hot air dries the tissue and makes it light, fluffy, and absorbent. The tissue is rolled, cut, folded, and packed, ready to use. So, tissue paper starts as trees, turns into pulp, gets super soft, and helps us every day. Fun fact! Tissue paper is much thinner than regular paper, and that's what makes it so soft and absorbent. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.